Hello students, last time we have completed optical activity from halogen derivatives. Now we are going to start chemical properties of halogen derivatives. Chemical properties of halogen derivatives, in which first we are going to see laboratory test of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are neutral compounds in aqueous medium. When they are warmed with aqueous sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, they undergo hydrolysis to give alcohols and formation of halide ion takes place. The reaction is Rx plus OH minus ion. This OH minus ion is from KOH or from NaOH. When this is heated, we will get ROH, that is alcohol, and X minus ion, that is halide ion. Now we are going to see nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes. In last year we have seen what is meant by substitution reaction. The reaction in which an atom or a group of atom is replaced by another atom or a group of atom is called substitution reaction. Now we are going to see nucleophilic substitution reaction. The reaction in which a nucleophile is substituted by another nucleophile is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. In alkyl halides, the CX bond is polar. This is due to the higher electronegativity of halogen atom. Due to this higher electronegativity of halogen atom, due to inductive effect, polarization of CX bond occurs and carbon becomes electropositive and halogen becomes electronegative, like this. Thus carbon atom in CX bond is electrophilic center and thus react with nucleophile. Thus alkyl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. Now we are going to see first reaction, formation of alcohol. Alcohol means ROH. Now alkyl halides can be converted into alcohol by using two methods. First, by using aqueous KOH or NaOH, or by using moist silver oxide. Now first we are going to see alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halides by using aqueous KOH or NaOH. When alkyl halides are heated with aqueous alkali like potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, gives corresponding alcohol. The reaction is Rs, that is alkyl halide, plus KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, in aqueous medium. When this is boiled or heated, it is converted into ROH, that is alcohol, and potassium halide, that is KX. For example, when methyl bromide is boiled with aqueous potassium hydroxide, gives methyl alcohol plus potassium bromide. Now the reaction is CH3Br plus KOH. When it is heated, gives CH3OH, that is methyl alcohol, plus potassium bromide, that is KBr. Now second example, when ethyl iodide, that is CH3CH2I, when it is boiled with aqueous NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, gives ethyl alcohol, that is CH3CH2OH plus sodium iodide. Now we are going to see second method to convert alkyl halide into alcohol, that is by using moist silver oxide, that is Ag2O. When alkyl halide is heated with moist silver oxide, gives corresponding alcohol. Now here this moist silver oxide becomes moist, or when it is dissolved in water, it is converted into silver hydroxide. Now this silver hydroxide react with alkyl halide to give alcohol. General reaction is Rx, that is alkyl halide, when it is treated with moist silver oxide, that is Ag2O. When this reaction mixture is heated, AgOH form and nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place to give ROH, that is alcohol, and AgX, that is silver halide. For example, when ethyl chloride, that is CH3CH2Cl, is boiled with moist silver oxide, AgOH is formed and nucleophilic substitution takes place to give ethanol, that is CH3CH2OH plus AgCl. Then second example, when isopropyl bromide is also known as 2-bromopropane, or it is secondary propyl bromide. When this compound is heated with moist silver oxide, gives isopropyl alcohol. The reaction is CH3CHBr CH3 plus AgOH gives CH3CHOH CH3 plus AgBr. Now this isopropyl alcohol is also known as secondary propyl alcohol or propane 2OL. Now we are going to see second reaction, formation of ethers, that is ROR. This reaction is also known as Williamson synthesis. When alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide, that is NaOR, gives ethers, that is ROR. The general reaction is RX, that is alkyl halide, when it is treated with sodium alkoxide, that is NaOR. When this reaction mixture is boiled, gives ether, that is ROR dash plus NaX, that is sodium halide. Now here R is alkyl group, R dash is another alkyl group, that is both are alkyl group. R and R dash may be similar or different. If both are similar, that is R and R dash similar, then we'll get simple ether, and if R and R dash are different, then we'll get mixed ether. For example, when chloroethane, that is CH3CH2Cl, is boiled with sodium ethoxide, that is NaOCH2CH3, gives diethyl ether, that is CH3CH2OCH2CH3 plus NaCl. Now diethyl ether is a simple ether. Now second example, when methyl bromide, that is CH3Br, is treated with sodium ethoxide, that is NaOCH2CH3 or NaOC2H5, gives CH3OCH2CH3. It is ethyl methyl ether plus NaBr, that is sodium bromide. Now ethyl methyl ether is mixed ether because oxygen is bonded to two different alkyl groups, that is ethyl and methyl. It is also named as methoxyethane. Now next reaction we are going to see formation of esters, that is RCOOR dash. Esters are the derivatives of carboxylic acid. Action of silver salt of carboxylic acid. Now silver salt of carboxylic acid is nothing but RC double bond OOAG. When alkyl halide is heated with silver salt of carboxylic acid, that is RCOOAG, gives ester. General reaction is alkyl halide, that is RX, when it is heated with silver salt of carboxylic acid, that is R-COOAG, gives ester, that is R-COOR plus AgX. In this reaction, halogen atom is substituted by R-COO group. For example, when ethyl bromide is heated with silver salt of acetic acid, gives ethyl acetate. Now ethyl bromide, that is CH3CH2Br, when it is heated with silver acetate, that is CH3COOAG, gives ethyl acetate, that is CH3COOCH2CH3 plus AgBr. Second example, when methyl iodide is heated with silver acetate, gives methyl acetate. The reaction is methyl iodide, that is CH3I, when it is heated with silver acetate, that is CH3COOAG, gives methyl acetate, that is CH3COOCH3 plus AgI. In this reaction, iodine is substituted by CH3COO group. Now next reaction we are going to see formation of amines. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic ammonia, gives amines. The general reaction is RX, that is alkyl halide. When it is heated with ammonia, that is NH3, in presence of alcoholic medium, gives alkyl amine, that is RNH2 plus hydrogen halide. In this reaction, halogen atom of alkyl halide is replaced by NH2 group, that is amine group. For example, when ethyl chloride is boiled with alcoholic ammonia, gives ethylamine. The reaction is CH3CH2Cl plus NH3. When it is heated in alcoholic medium, gives CH3CH2NH2 plus HCl. This reaction is also known as Hofmann's homolysis. In this reaction, first formation of primary amine takes place, that is ethylamine is a primary amine. But if the mixture of ethyl chloride and ammonia is in same concentration, then primary amine is converted into secondary amine, secondary amine is converted into tertiary amine, and tertiary amine is converted into quaternary ammonium salt. That is, mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines along with quaternary ammonium salt is formed. To obtain only primary amine, the concentration of ammonia is increased, then we'll get only primary amine. The next reaction, formation of alkyl cyanides. Alkyl cyanides means RCN. Action of alcoholic KCN. When alkyl halides is heated with alcoholic KCN, gives alkyl cyanide. General reaction is RX, that is alkyl halide, when it is treated with potassium halide. When alkyl halide is treated with potassium cyanide in presence of alcoholic medium, gives alkyl cyanide plus potassium halide. The reaction is RX plus KCN in presence of alcoholic medium, it is heated, gives RCN plus KX. In this reaction, halogen atom is replaced by cyanide group, that is CN group. Now example, when ethyl bromide is boiled with potassium cyanide in alcoholic medium, gives ethyl cyanide plus potassium bromide. Now the reaction is CH3CH2Br plus KCN in alcoholic medium, it is heated, gives CH3CH2Cn plus KBr. This ethyl cyanide is also named as propanenitrile. IUPAC name of ethyl cyanide is propanenitrile. Formation of alkyl isocyanides. Action of alcoholic AgCN. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic silver cyanide, gives alkyl isocyanide. Isocyanide means NC, that is alkyl group gets attached to cyanide group through nitrogen atom, that is bond between carbon and nitrogen is formed. General reaction is RX, that is alkyl halide, when it is heated with AgCN, that is silver cyanide in alcoholic medium, gives RNC, that is alkyl isocyanide plus silver halide. In this reaction, halogen atom is replaced by isocyanide group, that is NC group. For example, when ethyl iodide, that is CH3CH2I, is heated with silver cyanide, that is AgCN in alcoholic medium, gives ethyl isocyanide, that is CH3CH2NC plus AgI. Now next, formation of alkyl nitrides. When alkyl halides is treated with potassium nitrite, that is KNO2, gives alkyl nitrite. The general reaction is alkyl halide, that is RX, when it is treated with potassium nitrite, that is KNO2, gives alkyl nitrite, that is RONO plus KX, that is potassium halide. In this reaction, halogen atom is replaced by ONO group, that is NO2 group, but alkyl group gets attached to oxygen atom. For example, when ethyl bromide, that is CH3CH2Br, is treated with potassium nitrite, gives ethyl nitrite, that is CH3CH2ONO plus potassium bromide, that is KBr. Now next, formation of nitroalkanes. When alkyl halide is treated with silver nitrite, that is AgNO2, gives nitroalkanes. The general reaction is alkyl halide, that is RX, when it is treated with silver nitrite, that is AgNO2, gives nitroalkane, that is RNO2 plus silver halide, that is AgX. Example is when ethyl bromide is treated with silver nitrite, gives nitroethane plus silver bromide. The reaction is CH3CH2Br plus AgNO2 gives CH3CH2NO2 plus AgBr. Here we have completed all the substitution reactions of alkyl halides. Now homework for you. Question number first. What is the action of alcoholic silver cyanide on N-propyl iodide and methyl cyanide? Second question. How will you convert silver salt of acetic acid into ethyl acetate? How will you convert ethyl iodide into diethyl ether? What is the action of alcoholic ammonia on secondary butyl iodide? Convert the following: propene to propane 1-OL, benzyl alcohol to benzyl cyanide, ethanol to propane nitrile. Now formula of propane nitrile is CH3CH2CN. 2-chloropropane to propane 1-OL, aniline to chlorobenzene, and propene to 1-nitro